$10,000 US additional monthly income, and you don't know how to have it? It seems you are going in circles? Imagine having an extra $10,000 in your bank account. What would that do for your life? Well, your waiting is over. You can make it happen with YouTube. Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course shows you exactly how to make it happen. Avoids trial and error method and guesswork, thereby saving precious time and efforts. Whether you're a total beginner or an experienced content creator, this course reveals the step-by-step route to building a profitable YouTube channel from scratch. Learn how to grow your audience, unlock multiple income streams, and turn your channel into a money-making machine. If you're ready to boost your income and take control of your financial future, now is your chance. To know more about making money online, attend Matt Parr's free training webinar. Click the link below. Otherwise, join or enroll in the course at a discounted price by starting to click the link below. Please don't forget to click like, write comments, share to friends, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.